And we all know at least one buddy with a truck who claims it's faster than ours. This is the case across the board, no matter where you go, but especially here at Custom Offsets. So today we thought we would settle that. We've brought out a bunch of trucks and we are going to have a good old-fashioned tournament-style drag race.
Hopefully this thing just dominates it better. If it doesn't, I get a call from Sean. It was really nice working here. I'm ready, baby.
Holy cow!
That was close. That was really close. Oh my god, that was really fucking close. You can see him the whole way right here.
Wow. Guys, that was incredible.
Yeah, it was a little too close to tell.
Yeah. That was super intense. So from the bottom end of the track, it was crazy. It was super close. Nick, you had him off the line a little bit, it looked like. It looked like you jumped him just a bit.
Yep.
And then the Tacoma came back, and then you pulled, and then he pulled, and it literally came down to the last 30 feet. Who do you guys think won?
I think Bronco took just by a hair.
I think I had him by maybe a foot.
So,
maybe. It was super close.
On the line, I was watching through the cones, and the winner by literally a wheel and the front half of the vehicle was Nick.
Oh.
It was so close.
Damn it.
It was so close. Welcome back to Drag Racing Part 2. We had a ton of stuff in Part 1, some really close battles. Obviously, you guys saw some really close back and forth racing. But as we said, we've got 2 more rounds of racing today, so we're gonna get right into that. Again, before we do though, if you're looking to make your truck a little quicker, we've got some performance parts. You can get those at customoffsets.com or click the link down in the description. Now, when we look at the lineup behind me, you can see there's 1, 2, 3 trucks. That's obviously not going to work without giving someone a buy or bringing in a second competitor. So in the true nature of competition, we figured we'd bring you guys a little surprise. Guys, so filling the other 2 lanes are Nate in CO2 and Nick in Jared's Bronco. Obviously, we've got some good pairings up today with the Bronco, CO2, my truck, and then the giveaway truck. So we'll let those guys come on up here quick. We'll do a little chit-chatting about the competition we've got today, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so today we've got some good matchups. Obviously, the first run is the Bronco and my truck. The second run is CO2 and the giveaway truck, of course. Any quick call-outs, anything you guys think in terms of who's going to win, who's not going to win, stuff like that?
Yeah, no, I'd like you to turn your tune down, and then I'll get a head start, and then it'll be a close race.
So turn my tune up and boosted launch at 2,000 RPMs. Got it.
I am just hoping I, again, don't lose in Dad's truck and that I don't get a call from Dad after this ends.
Yeah, so CO2 maybe doesn't have the best pedigree in drag racing. It's 1-1 right now in the history of the run, so it'll be really interesting to see what happens here. All right, first round, my truck, Bronco. Let's get into it.
Ready to rumble?
Has the hustle and bustle of holiday shopping got you down? Nervous that you'll miss deals on your favorite brands? Are you waiting for the perfect deal? Don't worry, Custom Offsets got you covered.
That's right, Custom Offsets has you covered. We got Black Friday deals live right now. There's no fighting for a line at Walmart. There's no fighting Karens. 40,000 wheels, 38,000 tires, so much inventory. And the best part is all this inventory is ready to ship to you guys right now. No wait, CustomOffsets.com.
Good luck.
Good luck to you. I hope your passenger falls out.
Get wrecked, nerd.
I'm pretty sure he beat me, but it was inches, dog. It was inches. There's no way that was that close.
Dude, that was kind of surprising.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That was incredible. That was absolutely insane. In no way, shape, or form did I think I was going to keep up with him, even remotely, right? And you want to talk about performance parts, right? So this thing is massive. We're rolling 26 16s and 42s, and it's got a Banks Derringer tuner, and we legit just kept up to a supercharged 6-liter on bags nonetheless. That was incredible. What an incredible run.
Dude, that was so close. That was way closer than I thought it was gonna be.
Because I expected you to just walk it.
Yeah.
And I was like right there, and I'd pull a little bit, and you'd pull a little bit, and I'd pull a little bit, and then you'd pull a little bit.
Yeah.
Pretty sure you beat me. They haven't told us yet. I'm pretty sure you beat me, but it couldn't have been by more than a tire. I mean, it was so close.
I'm hoping.
So close. Hey, who won?
CO2. Oh.
I knew it.
Get wrecked, nerd.
I knew it.
Yes.
So that means that again, in Custom Offsets history, we're coming to the final race, and it's going to be supercharged gas versus turbo diesel. This time CO2 versus my LBZ Duramax. Again, this one should be a good one. I'm super excited, and I'm ready to get into it and figure out who the winner is.
Hey.
Good luck, sir.
Good luck, buddy. Actually, you know what?
Damn. Get wrecked, nerd.
Get home. Hey, at least we'll look good losing.
Yeah, facts.
So nervous. Why am I so nervous?
I'm nervous.
Damn it, we knew that, but
Woo! Oh man! Oh, that was fun. We did it! Ugh. I'm gonna admit, I was a little scared there for a moment.
I let us all down. I'm sorry.
I was nervous. I mean, again, off the line, man, I looked over and you were with me. And then when I felt it grab second, I just matted it. I mean, boost spiked, and then it was game over from there. But it was really impressive off the line.
Yeah, the 6-liter supercharged is definitely more impressive than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
But I came into this race knowing I probably wasn't going to have a leg to stand on, so.
It did way better than I even anticipated. Officially, thank you for a good race, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
We made it happen. the LBZ is undefeated in custom offsets challenges. We are 4 for 4 at this point, which is awesome. What do you guys want to see next from us in terms of a truck challenge? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, be sure to like the video, share it with a friend or two, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. With that, we're Custom Offsets. We'll see you guys on the next one.